Welcome to Easy Dropshipping. Let's see what we've got today.
This is their smart home security outdoor camera lantern for your home. So this product is very similar to maybe like a video doorbell that you would have on your home, but there's actually some added benefits to using this product over a video doorbell, and we're going to talk about those in just a second. So it retails for $220. It's available on Amazon, so I have a link down below in the description if you want to check it out and purchase it after watching this review.
This is goodbye.
Our company have served more than 3,000 dropshippers and have our own winning product sourcing team. If you want to get more winning product, follow us right now. Let's make money together.